This includes all content laws. It is your main duty. This keeps you out of trouble. Next, check your information. Make sure it is true. Do not spread false news or unverified rumors online. Fact-checking is very important. On June 4th, 2025, some news appeared. It was about YouTubers. Mr. Levan Kun was arrested. He was 59 years old. Two young men were also held. Their names were Nguyen Duc Min and Nguyen Hoang Ton. Police in Ho Chi Minh City made the arrests. The city police took them. It was the Special Investigation Office. They were from the YouTube channel. The channel was called Nguoi Du Tin. This means the messenger in English. Many people knew this channel. It was a popular channel. Now its leaders were in trouble. The police said they did wrong. They said the YouTubers misused freedoms, like the freedom of speech. They harmed the country's interests. They also harmed groups and people. These are serious charges. The law is very clear. They must now face these accusations. This news was a big shock. Many people heard about it. It made people think. What we post online is important. Words on the internet have power. Sometimes they can cause problems. We must all be careful. This story is a reminder. The YouTubers face a specific law. This law is Article 331. It is from Vietnam's Penal Code. The full name is very long. It talks about democratic freedoms and how they can be misused. This law protects the state. It also protects people and groups. What does this law mean simply? It means you have freedoms, like freedom to speak and write, but you must use them right. You cannot use them to hurt. Harming the country is not allowed. Harming other people is also wrong. This law sets clear limits. This law is important today, especially with social media. Many people post online now. Sometimes posts can break this law. Groups like Human Rights Watch have noticed this trend. More cases use Article 331. It is a serious legal tool. These arrests are very sensitive. This is because of the timing. Vietnam is preparing for big meetings. These are party congresses. So the government is watchful. They look at online content. They want to maintain order, especially during important times. Let's talk about the channel. It was called Nguoi Du Tin. Mr. Levan Can was the leader. He was in charge of it. Nguyen Duc Min helped him. Nguyen Hoang Ton also helped. They worked on making videos, editing and designing them well. The channel started in March 2024, so it was quite new. But they made many videos, more than 6,700 videos. That is a very large number. They posted very often. Many videos in a short time. Their activity was very high. This channel became very popular. It had almost 2 million subscribers. These are people who followed it. Their videos got many views, over 1 billion views in total. This means many people watched. They reached a very big audience. Their influence was strong. But what was in the videos? Police say it was harmful. They say it slandered people and misrepresented organizations. It also talked about policies of the party and the state. The channel earned much money, over 10 billion VND from it. Section 4, Words Have Power, the impact of content. The authorities looked at the videos, they studied the channel's content, they found it had bad effects. It influenced what people thought. This is called public opinion. The influence was negative. It did not help society. This was a big concern. The videos did more harm. Police said they caused unrest. This means people felt uneasy or might become disorderly. It disrupted social order. And also public safety. These are very serious problems. Society needs peace and calm. So, why is this so important? YouTube videos reach millions, especially popular channels like this. What they say can change minds. It shapes how people see events and understand their country. Content creators have big power. With power comes responsibility. This case is a clear lesson. Words posted on the internet can have real effects offline. They are not just pixels, especially if content is negative, or if it challenges stability. The government watches for this, to protect peace and security. Section 5, Vietnam's media landscape, important rules. Vietnam has rules for media. This includes online content. YouTubers are content creators, so they must know these rules. Laws cover information sharing and communication technology. It is important to learn them. Ignorance is not an excuse. There are several key laws. Laws about the press, laws about what can be published, and new cybersecurity laws. Article 331 is also key. We learned about it earlier. These laws guide content. They protect national interests. Content must be careful, especially about politics. It should not twist facts or misrepresent political stories. Attacking the government is forbidden, or insulting leaders. This is a very sensitive line. Creators must respect it. The government is watching. They look at social media closely. This is true all the time, but more so during big events, like the party congresses. They want to stop problems before they can grow bigger. Their goal is social stability. Section 6. YouTube Smart: How to Create Safely. So how can YouTubers be safe? The first step is very clear. Understand Vietnamese laws well, and follow them always. This is the best protection. This includes all content laws. It is your main duty. This keeps you out of trouble. Next, check your information. Make sure it is true. Do not spread false news or unverified rumors online. Fact-checking is very important. Be sure before you publish. Your audience trusts you. Do not mislead them, ever. Respect everyone's rights and their personal privacy. Do not say bad things that harm someone's reputation. This is called defamation. Do not share private details unless you have permission. Always try to be kind. Be careful with sensitive topics. Some subjects are risky. Avoid anti-state content or anything that incites violence. Content should not divide people. Think about your video's impact. Will it cause unrest? Choose your topics wisely. Section 7. Final thoughts. Being a good digital citizen. The story of Nguoi is a very strong warning for all content creators. What you do on the internet has real results in life. It is not just a game. Actions can lead to problems. Serious legal consequences too. YouTubers have much influence. They can reach many people. This power should be used well. Use it for good things. Help build a better society. Do not create content that harms or content that divides people. This is a big responsibility. So remember the key things. Always follow the country's laws. Be honest and truthful in all videos you make. Respect other people always. This is the right path for a responsible YouTuber, especially in Vietnam today. Creating good, safe content helps you, the creator. It also helps your audience. And it helps the whole country. It keeps you out of trouble and makes YouTube better. A place for learning and fun. Let's all aim for that.